Want to open a home care agency in Maryland? Home care agencies are licensed under an RSA. Here's exactly how to get your RSA Residential Service Agency license in 2025. Step by step, with no fluff. Start by collecting everything the state needs. Organizational chart, staff qualifications and credentials, proof of liability insurance, background checks for all direct care staff, and your full Maryland RSA policies and procedures manual. This is non-negotiable for approval. Download the official RSA license application form from the Maryland Office of Healthcare Quality. No application fee is required. Applying is completely free. Send in your completed application along with all supporting documents. Make sure nothing is missing. Incomplete packets delay approval. If your packet is complete, OHCQ will issue a 6-month RSA license. During this time, your agency must operate in full compliance with state regulations. You may be inspected before receiving long-term approval. To pass, your RSA policies must cover everything: RN supervision, client intake, medication procedures, emergency preparedness, and HIPAA compliance. Speed things up by using a pre-written RSA policy manual that's Maryland-approved. Follow these 5 steps and you'll be licensed to provide home care in Maryland fast, compliant, and ready to grow. You'll avoid rejections and inspection failures. Need help with forms or policies? Visit www.carepolicy.us and get licensed the smart way.